The chart shows that business activities may be classified into two broad categories: industry or commerce. First, we discuss the industry. Industry. Industry refers to economic activities which are concerned with conversion of raw materials into useful products. An industry may produce consumer goods or capital goods. Consumer goods are those goods which are used finally by consumers, for example, clothes, bread, butter, etc. Capital goods are those goods which are used for producing some other goods, for example, machinery, buildings, tools, farm equipment, etc. The term industry is also used to mean groups of firms producing similar or related goods. For example, electronic industry means all firms producing electronic goods. Cotton textile industry refers to all manufacturing units producing textile goods from cotton. Other examples are automobile industry, mining industry, etc. Pizza industry is made of all producers who make and sell pizza in the market. Please note that for a pizza maker to belong to the pizza industry, he or she must sell the pizza made by him or her in the market. If a person makes pizza for his children, he will not come under the definition of pizza industry as he is not selling any product for money. Interactions between industries. All industries are dependent on each other and affect each other's functioning. The finished goods of one industry becomes the raw material for another. For example, suppose there are two industries. First produces automobile spare parts and the second manufactures motorbikes. So the product of first one becomes the raw material for the second one. We take another example. A pizza maker uses material inputs from the producers of other sectors. It includes cheese from dairy producers or vegetables from farmers. The pizza shop owner may also have to employ pizza makers to create the finished product pizza. Industries may be divided into three broad categories. Number one, primary. Number two, secondary. Third, tertiary. Primary industries. These industries are concerned with extraction and collection of natural resources and reproduction and development of living organisms, plants, for example, mining, farming, fishing, etc. The primary sector provides raw material to the secondary sector. These are of two types. Number one, extractive industries. These industries extract or draw products from natural sources. For example, farming, mining, extraction of rubber and timber from forests, etc. Number two, genetic industries. These industries are engaged in reproduction and multiplication of certain species of plants and animals with the objective of selling. Examples of genetic industries are plant nurseries, poultry farms, and cattle breeding farms. Secondary industries. The secondary industries depend on the primary industries for their activities. They use the goods extracted or produced by the primary industry as their raw material and produce finished products. For example, chemical industries, sugar mills, textile production, steel production, ship making, etc. Sorry. Secondary industries may be further divided into two types. Number one, manufacturing industries. These industries are concerned with the conversion or transformation of raw materials and semi-finished products into finished products. For example, textiles, chemicals, sugar industry, paper industry, etc. Number two, construction industries. These industries take up the work of construction of buildings, dams, bridges, roads, tunnels, and canals, etc., which cannot be shifted physically from place to place. These industries use the products of extractive industries, for example, stone, marble, etc., and also the products of manufacturing industries such as iron, cement, steel, etc. This industry creates immovable assets. Manufacturing industries may be further divided into four types. Number one, analytical industry. In this industry, a basic raw material is analyzed and separated into a number of products. For example, oil refinery falls in the category of analytical industry in which crude oil extracted from earth is processed and separated into a number of products like petrol, diesel, kerosene, etc. Number two, synthetical industry. In this industry, two or more materials are mixed and processed together to manufacture a new product. For example, cement, soap, fertilizer, etc. Third, processing industry. These industries are engaged in the processing of raw materials through different stages of production to manufacture finished products, as in the case of sugar and paper textile industry. Fourth, assembling industry. This industry assembles various components or parts to make a new product, as in the case of television, car, computer, bicycles, watches, etc. Or we can say that many finished products are combined together to make a new finished product. Tertiary industries. It is a technical name for the services sector of the economy. This industry is solely focused on providing services, not goods, to consumers and other organizations. So it is also known as the service sector. These are concerned with providing support services to primary and secondary industries as well as to trade. The examples of tertiary sector industries are telecommunication, hospitality industry or tourism, healthcare or hospitals, education, banking, insurance, legal services, transportation, or entertainment. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.